everybody, I am here with my buddy Ro, and today we're going to show you guys how to use the slide. Now, most people have a slide like this in their house or at the parks, and one of the issues I speak to a lot is parents don't know how to go down the slide properly with their kids. So I'm going to use Ro and I'm going to show you. So we're going to take Ro to the top, and for this we're not going to work on the climbing, we're going to actually work on the sliding. So what I need to do is I need to keep one hand on the belly button and one hand on the back, and I'm going to let her slide down. Now the whole goal is to let them figure out how to keep their core strong so that they don't shoot forwards and smack their heads on the way down. So, very good. So from here, I support below and above, and I let them go. And I feel like she wants to slide back and lie down. They need to figure out how to stay solid and upwards for them to be able to go down the slide on their own. So this process might take a little bit of time, but the more that we practice, the more that I can release a little bit of my grip. I'm going to do it one more time, and I'm going to just hold the back this time. Oh, that's getting better. And I can feel her sitting up more and more. Good. And now I keep my guard close, but I'm letting my squeeze go a little bit. So she's got to use her muscles a little bit more and less depending on me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow, very good. Would you like to go again? So now we can start to combine things where we do our pull. We're going to walk her over here. Very good, Miss Ro. And we're going to lift up. Are you ready? And then starting to use our stacking. We can start to introduce things. 1, 2, 3, go! Hooray! Again? Yeah? Come. And we're gonna stand and we're gonna walk. Again, when I'm walking with them at this stage, I'm keeping their hands at bicycle handle level. Good, good, good. Whoa. Let's try like this one more time. Ready? Wheel. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hooray! Can you give me some claps? Do you want to say goodbye to everybody? Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Thank you very much. Good job, Ro. Ro, everybody.